Hi everybody, it's Strawberry and you're watching Disney Channel. Just kidding. It's Strawberry and I'm going to do a K-pop journal spread for Life Goes On by BTS. So I realize it's been a while since Life Goes On came out, and it's also been a while since I filmed this video. I've just been a little bit behind when it comes to getting videos put out. I've been super busy, and now I'm actually going to be moving soon. So yeah, I will try to get videos out as regularly as possible, but please bear with me. That being said, I've been really excited to get this video out. I had some other ones I needed to get out first, and I've been really just like not nervous but excited to put this one out because I liked it a lot and I just really wanted to talk about this song with you guys. So obviously I wanted to do a cutout of them sitting on the couch because I thought all of those moments of them all just like sitting together on the couch were so cute. So I did a big cutout of that, and then I wanted to do sort of like a film strip look with a bunch of the little cutouts of their sort of like selfies that they did. I like screenshotted all of those, which was really difficult because they passed by really quickly. So I wanted it to look like kind of a film strip. So I wanted to balance that out. So I did the black ripped paper on the one side so that I could put the film strip on the other side. And I actually didn't have a long enough piece of black scrap paper. So I ended up having to tape two together to make it long enough for these pictures. So when I tried to actually fit this film strip on there, it was way too long to actually look nice going on, and I wasn't willing to make the picture smaller. So I just moved them all up on this film strip so I could cut off a little bit more of it and then fit it to where I could cut off little bits at the top and the bottom without it actually cutting off their faces. And I just did it like sort of horizontally, and it ended up fitting perfectly. So on the other side, I just did some screen caps of kind of those moments where they have like sort of the filter over it. It almost like has a very behind the scenes feel to it. I did this because I was going for a specific aesthetic. Lately, I've been really struggling with that because I want to include like all parts of a video, but I really wanted this to look really nice. So I just did these parts of the video, and also the end of the video when they're sitting in the stadium with all the army bombs, like literally makes me sob, cry, and I didn't really want to cry while I was making this. So yeah. So I've just been really into like simple black lettering lately. I don't know what that's about, but I just wanted to do something like really simple, and I actually ended up loving this lettering. It's like not even anything special, but something about it, it's just like so clean, and I just really love how it turned out. Like sometimes I feel like my calligraphy is just like so, but this one I just really liked, and I was really happy with it. Also, I just want to note that I very recently put a new August D2 crew neck sweatshirt up on my Etsy shop. It is bleach tie-dyed, and it has D2 on the front, the track list on the back, and August D going down the arm. I'm actually super happy with this one. I love how it turned out. I made it for myself, and then I was like, I have to share this. So it's up on my Etsy shop currently if you are interested. If not, I also sell Army Bomb decals, and I have a Hope World shirt up right now as well. And keep a lookout for a mono themed crew neck because one of my friends recently suggested it, and I am really excited to design that one. So go check out my Etsy shop if you would like to support my channel. Thank you. So once I started like kind of putting stuff together, I really didn't like that there was just that plain white corner like on the left side of the film strip. I just didn't like that it was plain. So I decided to add this like craft paper looking scrapbook paper to the other side just so that it wasn't just plain white over there. I don't know why I'm so weird about white space. I just like can't handle it. So then I just did the journaling portion, and I just talked about the song and how I feel like this was a very emotional comeback and song for both ARMY and BTS because we haven't been able to see each other and like going on almost 2 years now, and it's been really hard for all of us, I think. And so it's just a reminder that, you know, eventually we will get past this and we will see each other again. And even though it's hard, like we can be positive and look up, you know. And I feel like a lot of people are taking it the wrong way, but I feel like it's just meant to be a comforting song to ARMY. And yeah, it makes me really emotional and I love it a lot. But anyway, this is a look at the final spread. I really love the spread a lot. I think it's very simple, but it's very aesthetically pleasing and really like gave off the vibe of the song. So yeah, if you like this video and you like the spread, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in the D2 crew neck, the link to my Etsy shop is in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.